All right, guys, let's go pick up my car.
Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Sometimes all I think about is you. Late nights in the middle of June. He waves been faking me out. Can't make you happier now. Usually I put something on TV, so we never think about you and me. But today I see.
So we got a new content creation tool, the Insta360 One X2. Let the unboxing begin. So right out of the box, we're gonna get the Insta360 One X2. I actually purchased mine from Amazon, and this one comes as a kit, and it came with the SD card. It comes with the selfie stick and the lens cap for protection. So let's see what it looks like right out of the box. So right away, you'll notice we have the Insta360 One X2. This is actually pretty cool. It's a very lightweight camera. Most interesting camera that I've ever actually seen. Compared to GoPros that are just square, this is just a really cool form factor. Kind of doesn't even look like a camera, which is good because then we could take these on shoots. We could take this like in public, like at restaurants, at the airport, in the plane. And I've seen some videos of people making some cool videos in the planes and stuff. And I like it because it's very discreet. I wouldn't even imagine this would be a camera, but it's pretty cool looking. So let's see. Kind of thought it would come with this, which is I guess like a little pouch for protection as well. Interesting. This little pouch goes here. Boom. Now you have a Snuggie for your Insta360 One X2. And I'm just going to unlock this just to see what it looks like. Yep. Perfect. This is kind of neat. Kind of looks like some AirPods would fit in here, but yeah, this is the top protector for. I imagine that this won't fit well together with the little Snuggie. This seems like it's gonna take up space, but we'll see. It might fit. Maybe sticking out, but that's pretty cool. Extra protection. Now this is the cool part. The selfie stick that comes with the Insta360 is pretty cool. This is pretty much the thing that you see a lot on the videos. So you can do the invisible selfie stick thing. Nope. Boom. That's pretty cool, actually. It's kind of like a samurai type thing. But anyways, Insta360 selfie stick. The cool thing is that this little thing actually automatically erases the selfie stick from the video. So that'll be fun to use. But anyways, now that we unboxed this, it's time to take this little thing to a test. And I'm about to shoot some hyperlapses, maybe some footage driving through Denver, just to see what it looks like. So let's find out. So I brought out the Insta360 right now. I'm driving downtown in Denver. The cool thing is I have it charging right now, but I'm about to put it up on top. When I open the roof, it'll give me a little gap so I can just have the stick while I'm driving around and try to get some really, really cool hyperlapses. So we'll see how those come out, but this is gonna be pretty cool to use. So overall, this little Insta360 camera is a beast. From 360 videos to 16:9 aspect ratio and even vertical videos, this camera pretty much does it all. The Insta360 software that this comes with is so simple to use. It's very intuitive. You can do a bunch of cool editing tricks using keyframing and speed ramps, which you'll see in some of the videos that I posted on the video. And the invisible selfie stick effect that it naturally comes with, it's so intuitive. Like, I'm so glad that Insta360 decided to just automatically erase the stick for you without you having to do any of the editing, which is so awesome. So if you're a filmmaker, professionally, or even just starting out, I definitely recommend you get one of these Insta360 cameras and add it to your arsenal of filmmaking tools. I had a ton of fun filming a bunch of content with this camera, and I'm gonna keep using it for my channel here and there. So if you wanna see more videos that I do with Insta360, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when we upload those videos. All right, I'm gonna get back to editing. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.